Imagine this. It's a regular Monday. You open Gmail, nothing loads. You try YouTube, blank. You check Maps, Drive, even the Play Store. Everything is down. It's not your Wi-Fi. It's not your device. Google has crashed. Now here's the real question. What happens next? Let's go deeper, beyond the memes and panic, into the brutal reality of how the internet works and what this scenario exposes about the dark side of cloud tech. Welcome to InfinityAiTech, where we explain truth with no sugar. First, understand this. Google isn't just a website. It's an ecosystem that holds up half the internet. If Google goes down even for 1 hour, here's what breaks. Email used by more than 1 billion people. YouTube, used by over 2 billion users. Google Maps, used by apps like Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, and Ola. Google DNS, used by routers, browsers, smart TVs, and servers. Google Fonts, Firebase, and ads, which are embedded in thousands of websites and apps. And Google Cloud, which powers banking systems, healthcare apps, and fintech startups. This means your app won't load, your OTP won't arrive, your payments will fail, your Gmail-based login won't work, even your Android phone might freeze. And if you're a developer or a DevOps engineer, your console, pipeline tools, and cloud dashboards are all unreachable. And yes, this has already happened. In December 2020, Google went down globally, just for 47 minutes. In those 47 minutes, YouTube ad revenue dropped by millions. Students missed exams. Firebase apps failed silently. And businesses relying on Gmail, chat, or Meet had no way to communicate. Even smart homes using Google Assistant couldn't turn on lights. Now here's the part no one tells you. The outage was not caused by a cyber attack. It was caused by a configuration issue inside Google's authentication system. In simpler terms, one internal mistake created global chaos. Even the most advanced cloud system in the world is not immune to human error. Let's talk about architecture now. Most companies today host everything on Google Cloud. Their APIs, their backend, their storage, their notifications, their backups, even their user identity. One vendor, one dependency. So when Google goes down, it's like your entire body losing access to air, water, and blood at the same time. This isn't just about uptime. This is about trust. So what should a smart engineer or architect actually do? Never depend fully on one cloud. Design fallback plans, alternate login flows, and delayed retry options. Use multi-cloud where you can, or at least host your monitoring and communication channels outside of the same provider. Add real-time observability, not just uptime pings, but deep visibility into your APIs, alt-is failures, storage response times, and queue delays. Build a communication layer. If your alerting system, chat platform, and task manager all depend on Google, you'll be flying blind during failure. The truth is, Google is one of the most reliable clouds in the world. But reliable is not the same as invincible. And the real fear isn't that Google might crash. It's how blindly we've built our world around a single point of failure. Every engineer must ask, if the giant slips, what happens to my system? Because when it does, it won't just crash your apps. It will crash your users' trust. So the next time you build something, remember this. Cloud is powerful, but you're still responsible. If this shook you, share it with every DevOps engineer, developer, and startup founder you know. And subscribe to InfinityAiTech. This is where real architecture meets real truth. You haven't seen how JioCinema handled 75 million live viewers without breaking. That video will blow your mind. You can see in our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.